Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to report about repair of normal hand pump in Telangana. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you need to enter all the details: CAN number, name, mobile number, RES. Then select the grievance type, select the grievance reason, grievance description. Once you enter all the details, please click on the submit button. Then you will receive your complaint number in the pop-up menu immediately after submitting the complaint. You have to keep those details safe for future verification and reference purposes. Then you can track your complaint in the grievance option by using this link. And you can check the status by giving the information of complaint number, date, CAN number, division, section, and status. After receiving the complaint, the authorities will take necessary action to repair the normal hand pump. And in below section, we are mentioned fee section. So the fee for this procedure has to be paid as per the authority's request. So also you can check more details related to the procedure in below each section. Here there are the required documents of detailed information, and then office and location section provided with the department and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section, so which is very useful for you. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us, so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.